Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. Today we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart. You can place your hands on your hips. Begin to rotate your pelvis in a circle. So we call this the hip circles, loosening up the whole lower body. Starting off with small circles. We'll do about 5 circles one way, and then reverse direction going the other. All right, nice and easy, nice and slow, just lubricating the joints. All right, and then we'll do the shoulders. So let the arms float down by the sides, lift the shoulders up towards the ears and let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders. This helps release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. All right, one more time, the shoulder rolls. Then from here, the arms down by the side, breathing in, they float up. Circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it right into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, floating up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Opening the shoulders and the neck. Opening the chest and the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time you can do a side bend if you like, just easing in nice and soft. One more time, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. Then the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They come right in front of the heart. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, softening down. And then as you rise up, looking to the side, the hands float up. Coming back down to center, and then looking the other way. The dragon looks side to side. Coming down, then rising up. All right, one more time. And then from here, the hands turn onto their sides. They drift right across the eye level, and then across the heart. Then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, coming across up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer, then shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands keep on going all the way up and over. Palms face towards the body, the hands come down in front, then scooping under. Gather in the energy, gather in the breath. Let it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in, shifting back. Breathing out, coming forward. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then the hands keep on going all the way up and over. They come down in front of the body, and then scooping under, gather in the breath, all the energy, let it wash through the body. Tai Chi circling. Breathing in, breathing out. Circle around again, taking your time, bringing mindfulness to the body one more time. Tai Chi circling. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, bring it to center. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand comes up overhead, the other hand down by the hip. And then circle it around again. Bottom hand comes up and then leaning over to the side going up. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, white crane spreads wings on this side. And then step in, catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon. So switching sides, bottom hand comes up, other hand comes down. Circle it around again. Just the arms again at first, leaning over to the side going up. All right, this time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, white crane spreads wings. And then step back in, catch the moon. Breathing in, the arms open, and the fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down. And then this hand here floats up and across. Back of the hand guides the way. Making a loose fist, draw the hand in towards the hip. The other hand comes up. The dragon grabs the elixir. Other side, the arm comes up diagonally, spiraling the hand into a fist to the hip. Other side, one more time. The dragon grabs the elixir. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Then step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down. And then circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. One more time. This time making two loose fists. Catch the moon, rest your head on the pillow, and then pull up the covers. Circle it around again. The lazy monk rests his head on the pillow. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. Now this time, stay with me. Step in and catch the moon. Then swing the axe overhead, step out to the side, and as you step out, we'll chop the wood. Then circle it around again. You can step in if you like. Catch the moon, swing the axe overhead. The monk chops wood. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. And then from here, sit back. This hand here floats across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side, bottom hand tosses the moon right off into the clouds. And circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. One more time. This time, two loose fists, catch the moon, rest your head on the pillow, pull up the covers. Circle it around again. The lazy monk rests his head on the pillow. All right, one more time. And then after a nice nap, the monk will chop some wood. So from here, catch the moon and step in. Swing the axe overhead, then step out, chop the wood. Circle it around again. The monk chops wood. Swing the axe overhead, step out as you chop down. One more time. Breathing in, breathing out. And then sit back. This time hug the tree, bring it to center, and soften. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, drifting side to side. Nice gentle sway. And step the feet a little bit closer if you like, just till your feet are parallel. Soothing the nervous system, drifting side to side. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart. Playing the peepa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the peepa, the Chinese guitar. And then step in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising back up. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, cross the wrists in front of the heart, and then press out to the sides, creating space. Breathing in, breathing out. Really opening up all the joints, getting nice and tall. One more time, creating space. And the arms float down, circle in front, hug the tree. Breathing in, the arms open, breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down, the palms press behind. Then the palms face forward as we scoop under, coming all the way up and over and then down in front of the body. Gathering in the energy, gather in the breath, letting it wash through the body. This one we call the bathing breath. We're bathing in this healing energy, giving us healing and vitality. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. And the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind, the body, and the spirit. One more time, centering. This time, both arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And then stick around for a few more for your poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called Mind, Body, and Spirit. When the mind is calm, the breath slows down, the body softens all around, aligned beneath the rising sun. Mind, body, and spirit move as one. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony, 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.